think we can take this. Taken it at 295, 200 quantity. Some reason the market seems is actually retracing the whole fall. Taken another at 305. We are now at an average of 298. They would try to adjust the premium, so my exit should be really quick. We're coming to the 200 EMA, so that's why I'm exiting the trades. Exited at 336. Bought this at 268. Exiting some at 280. Exiting exited some at 277. Exiting all at 283. I'll take after it comes down. After a small retrace, then that can be a good buying opportunity. Because Bank Nifty is almost there. It's 115 points away from yesterday's high. Bank Nifty is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Planning to buy on the dip, but only will wait unless it comes to the VWAP. The reason being is it has rallied 575 points within 20 minutes of opening. So taking it from the seller's perspective, they've written it from 400. The previous close was 153. It opened at 400, and they've written it down aggressively, almost taking the OI to 44 million, 4.4 million from 2 million yesterday. So they would only rise it up a little and then push it down once again. So I'm expecting that to happen. Let's see. Entered this at 315 approximately. Just looking for a spike, nothing more. Exited 100 quantity. Exited another 100. Exited all. It's a very quick scalp. Waiting for more of this dip to come to make my entry. I'll start entering in 50 quantity of 280, 275, 270, 265. Sorry. Intention was to enter 265, but then I went at 365. So our entries are 280 and 280. Again, same entry. 75 quantity. Let me exit those. I'll re-enter. Okay, 275, 270, 265, 260. Even if it goes on the upside, I can take it until 295. First position also did not get triggered, but that is where I'll start buying in case there is a dip. Starting with 280 until 265. It's immediately reversing. Almost went to 275.9, but it did not trigger it. I'm expecting it to start triggering now. So Nifty is again falling. But Bank Nifty has been very, very strong. So I put my entries until 265. Fine with 260 also. 255 and 250. 45. Okay, so 250 is my final price until 250. I'm ready to take that risk because that's where the super trend is. If it comes till there, I'll take it because if you see, the volume is decreasing as it's coming down, and Dow is now in 55 points, which is fine. But the major contributors are the banks, which are very bullish. I'll reduce these again. I'll cancel all these. So we've taken it from 270 to 280. As it goes up, I can take it until 290 to 195. Taken it at 285. Because sometimes the retrace will not come exactly until the super trend. It will just come somewhere close and then immediately reverse. Totally having 200 quantity. I can exit the first 100 quantity at 290 or something, which I've taken it at lower price. Let me wait to see, what they're doing. Sitting 100 at 285 doesn't seem to be triggering going up quickly. Exit 100 at 280. Yep, 285 and 280. That's where I've exited. If it is going up, I would re-enter and exit. Oh, my entry was at 293. I got it at a high. Some reason Zerodha is a little creating a tension here. There is a delay in the order placement. So my final order is 292. I don't think the market has push to move up. I'll exit if it comes to 290 or 291 or 292, anything between that. Yeah, that's fine. If there's a momentum, I'll re-enter. Yeah, actually, I was supposed to hold on to this trade that I had, which was at a smaller average. I think it's trying to inch up higher. I'll just look to buy. Looking to go long. What 200 quantity at 300. Total 300 quantity. Average price is 300. He has already gone into the sideways mode. But Bank Nifty is neither going up nor going down, so I think it's better for me to wait until proper move is given. So I'll exit this again at break even. I'll wait until the range is broken, either on the upside or on the downside. If it comes down, I can go for a quick buying opportunity. Looks like it can go up. The 15-minute looks good. I'm exiting this trade at 300, waiting for it to trigger. Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, once it crosses the day's high, that's when it will move quickly. So waiting for that opportunity. The trending OI is extremely bullish. OI statistics has very good writing on the call side. Strike has a good build up on the call side. Futures is showing us long build up. Option chain is showing us a good OI on the put side. There's 48 lakh OI on 4500. All these strikes have been building up positions. But what I need is another up move with a 50k candle. That would be a very good move on the upside. Nifty data is still bearish, Bank Nifty is bullish, so that's something to consider. I entered this at 310. It's trying to inch up higher now. It's trying to break today's high, but I can't say until the closing. It's quickly reversing. So yeah, I don't think it's a good entry. Should have waited for the candle close, which I did not. Thinking if I should make this entry, but since the volume is very low, I'll wait for the close of the candle. Yeah. There seems to be a gap in the 5-minute candle. Look at this. The high is 40999, the low is 41013. So it's almost a 17-point gap. If it comes to cover this gap, we'll definitely get another up move. Waiting for the super trend thing to come to super trend so that I can take another small entry. Look at SBI, it has been on a continuous rally on the upside. The data is absolutely bullish. We're seeing good amount of put OI being written. The call OI at 41,000 is being covered. See in the 15-minute time frame, the put OI is continuously being built up from 6 lakh to 23 lakh. And on the call side from 30, it went to 37, now at 34. So they're beginning to cover their positions. Everything is indicating a long build up. Initially, the puts were positive, now the calls are positive. We're seeing a massive increase at 40,500 puts. So every dip is a very good opportunity to buy. I'll wait for this gap to get cleared. The moment it comes to fill the gap, that will be my entry. The low of that candle is 41,013. So from 13 to 41,000. So that 13 points is the place where it will come down to take that. Okay. 45, 240, can go until 260 also. Buying it every dip because the data looks absolutely bullish. No doubt about it. We only got two strikes at 255 and 259. The market is not even coming down to fill that gap. It is just inching up higher and higher. These are not getting triggered. Surprisingly, Nifty's data is still bearish. Bank Nifty is extremely bullish because all the banks have turned positive. I'm exiting this at 275. All the banks, every single bank has turned to positive except Axis. Axis is on the way, but SBI has been the top performer. So did HDFC. It's just 1 point away, almost recovered 1.4%. Bank Nifty has rallied 850 points, which is just amazing. See, although Dow is not giving us the sign, it's just 37 points positive. Bank Nifty is absolutely bullish. It crossed the weekly VWAP in the first 15 minutes itself, and after that, it never looked back.